The hardest part of every dream is leaving home. But what if your new home gave you the same comfort, care, and confidence? At UCT International Hostel, students discover more than just a place to stay. They discover a place they can truly call home. Step into our spacious, fully air-conditioned rooms, thoughtfully designed to make every student feel comfortable from day one. Complete with an attached kitchen for added convenience, these rooms are more than just a place to stay. They're where friendships grow, memories are made, and every day feels a little closer to home. Success begins with focus. Our dedicated study areas provide a peaceful atmosphere where students can learn, collaborate, and prepare with confidence for their journey toward becoming future doctors. Life at UCT isn't only about studying. It's about staying active, building lifelong friendships, and creating unforgettable memories beyond the classroom. While some students enjoy the excitement of a football match, others spend quality time indoors, sharing laughter, playing games, and strengthening friendships. Every moment adds to an unforgettable hostel experience. Forget the stress of laundry. Our dedicated laundry service ensures your clothes are professionally washed, neatly folded, and returned on time, giving you one less thing to worry about and more time to focus on your education. Your safety is our highest priority. With round-the-clock security and continuous monitoring, students can enjoy hostel life with confidence. Nothing feels more like home than a familiar meal. Every day, our dining hall serves fresh, hygienic, and delicious Indian cuisine, carefully prepared to bring the comfort and taste of home to every student. At UCT International Hostel, you'll never feel alone. You'll become part of a caring community that studies together, grows together, celebrates together, and supports one another through every step of the journey. Because this is more than a hostel. It's a safe place, a caring community, a home where tomorrow's doctors begin their journey. UCT International Hostel, your home away from home.